bahay ni Kuya at meron siyang magandang balita para sa mga housemates. Ano kaya ito? Tignan natin sa mga susunod na mangyayari.
Housemates, para sa pang-apat na task nyo, kinakailangan nyong kilalanin ang bagong housemate na ipapasok ko sa aking bahay. Naiintindihan nyo ba ng mabuti ang task na ito?
Opo Kuya, ready. Excited na po kaming lahat na makilala yung bago naming makakasama.
Magandang pakinggan yan. Sa pagkakataong ito, ipapakilala na ni Joyce ang ating bagong housemate.
Salamat Kuya! Talagang exciting ang pagkakataon na ito. At ngayon, ipapakilala na natin ang bagong housemate o ang resource person ng task na ito. Siya ay isang OFW or Overseas Filipino Worker na ilang taong nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa para sa kanyang pamilya. Ang kanyang kwento ay puno ng sakripisyo, tapang at pag-asa para sa mas magandang buhay. Siya ay nagmula sa Pilipinas at ngayon nagtatrabaho bilang isang nurse sa Singapore. Ito na ang inyong bagong housemate. Please welcome Miss Marichu De Guzman.
Miss Marichu, thank you so much po sa pagtanggap ng imbitasyon ni Kuya na pumunta kayo dito sa bahay niya para po magpa-interview sa amin. Pwede ko po bang maitanong kung bakit nyo napag-desisyonan na lumipat ng ibang bansa or magtrabaho sa ibang bansa?
Main reason is career opportunity for career advancement. Hospitals here have a very structured approach in healthcare delivery, and they have a very high-end state-of-the-art machines. So your career gets advanced, you became experienced and high qualified and competitive in the market locally and internationally. And this also builds confidence in my expertise. So for my family, overall reason is to have a better living condition and for our children's future as well.
Okay po. Paano niyo naman po na-adjust ang sarili niyo sa kultura at pamumuhay dyan sa Singapore?
Filipinos are very resilient. Slowly we adapt and we follow strict compliance to everything. Like rules, way of living, we observe so much and we learn their lifestyles and follow some of their lifestyles like exercise. They love to exercise and the government has installed exercise area for senior citizens and park, playgrounds also for children to play. For culture-wise, we respect their way of life, their beliefs, opinions, practices, because this is a multiracial country. So we do respect theirs to gain our respect too. So for way of life, we kind of adopt. We have to, or else we would be left behind. A lot of things we practiced from schooling, need to have tuition, not because you were left out, but because you want to be advanced in class. Also, engagement of outdoor activities like sports, arts and crafts, music, and many more. And despite the fact of having so much activities, there should always be a balanced lifestyle. So you would observe on weekends, family gets to bond either in the swimming pool, park, or playground.
Kamusta po ba yung mga trato ng mga local dyan sa inyo? Okay naman po ba? Di ba po sa Pilipinas, very welcoming, very hospitable. Sa tingin niyo po ba masasabi niya yan dyan sa Singapore? And also, pati na rin po yung iba nating mga kababayan. Okay naman po ba yung trato nila dyan sa inyo?
Locals are very appreciative of foreign talents. There was a time that they were frightened because of growing numbers of foreign workers. There's also some bully. This happens everywhere. But I think the important is to shield your ground. For fellow Filipinos, we were like good old friends here. Whenever we heard speaking Tagalog, we would greet each other like kabayan, musta, or if a helper comes along our way, we would ask, are you okay sa amo mo? Things like that. So we make a point that we appreciate each other.
May napapasa po ba kayong mga kultura natin sa mga dayuhang nakakasalumuha ninyo?
Top of the list is we are hardworking. And we never complain, and in everything we always do our best. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po Miss Marichu sa pagbabahagi ng inyong mga kwento at karanasan Talagang napakalaking inspirasyon niyo po para sa amin at sa mga kapwa nating Pilipino.
Thank you, Miss Marichu. Saludo po kami sa inyo bilang isang modern-day hero ng ating bansa.
Housemates, natapos nyo na matagumpay ang inyong task. Isang malaking hakbang ito sa inyong pag-unawa sa mga sakripisyo ng ating mga kababayan sa ibang bansa.